viewers, today we will make some practice of congruent figure. Exercise 8A, page 201, question number 4. Are the following pair of triangles are congruent? Explain them. First we see the triangle ABC, A part, page 201, ABC, PQR. Why I said PQR? Because B is 90 degree, Q is 90 degree. So if I say A, B, C, P is 36.9, this is also 36.9, Q 90, this 90, and C and R equal. So first we solve it because their vertices are same in these questions. Now I say A, B, C congruent P, Q, R because A correspond to P. Both are 36.9 degree. B correspond to Q. Both are 90 degree. And third one are C. C correspond to R. We don't know the angle. First we solve it angle. Sum of the triangle is always 180 and we subtract both of them from it. Minus 36.9 minus 90 and it will be 53.1 degree. Now AB is equal to PQ. AB equal to PQ. Length, line segment, is equal to 4 centimeter. AC equal to QR 3 centimeter. And BC is 3 centimeter and QR is 3 centimeter. BC and AC is equal to PR and they will be 5 centimeter, and this is our solution. Hence they are congruent because each angle and side are equal with each other. So B part is the same. First we solve for D and we say DEF triangle DEF is congruent TSU. Why I take it SUT? Why not? TSU means S is 80 and here E is 80. It means they will be in between the angles. And we don't know what is T and what is U. So we find them in our triangles. Now the angle E is D is equal to T. D is equal to T. So angle D is equal to angle T equal to 30. Angle E is equal angle S is equal to 80 degree. And angle F is equal to angle U is equal to what is 70 degree. Now we compare the sides. DE, what is DE? DE is equal to, side DE is equal to TS. Both are 18.8 centimeter. And EF, EF is equal to SU. EF is equal to SU. EF is 10 and SU is also 10 centimeter. And the third one, ST is first we did FD. Now we take the FD. FD and ST, they are both equal to 19.7 centimeter. In question number 5, the question is, in the figure ABK is congruent ACK. ABK congruent ACK. So we can write triangle ABK is congruent ACK. It means B and C are equal because their vertices are equal. B and C are equal, so they are correspondent, B and C. So we say angle ABC is equal to 62 because of angle ACK is equal to 62 degree. And now AK is also 90. It means 90. Where you see this square, this will be always 90. No need to write the 90 here. Now we find out the K. We find out the A. What is A? Angle A. Because the first part is find the angle BAC. BAC. But our A is divided into two parts, A1 and A2. We say A1 and A2. Both angles are same because their vertices are same. So which value has A1, that value is also A2. So we solve it according to this. So BAC we find like this: A1 plus 90, A1 plus 90 plus 62, because this is also 62, plus 62 equal to 180, because sum of triangle is always 180. So A1 plus 152 equal to 180. Now we solve it for A1 as an equation. A180 minus 152 equal to 28. But A1 is equal to A2 due to their vertices are same. So A has the two values, A1 and A2. So it means if A1 is 28, A2 is also 28. So A is equal to A1 plus A2. It means 28 plus 28, 56 degree. The second part is find the length of BC. Now we know what is the length of BC. BK is BK is 8 centimeter and they are same distance from each other. So CK is also 8 centimeter. Then we can say BC is equal to BK plus KC, or CK is the same thing. 8 plus 8 centimeter is equal to 16 centimeter. Okay, thank you.